So everybody knows what DeepSeek AI is. This is from China. We don't trust China. We don't want our data to go to China. We don't want our privacy exposed to Chinese CCP or whatever. Here is the solution. It's not that difficult, guys. Within a few minutes, you will be able to install the Deepseek-r1 model with Ollama LLM on your own computer. Anything LLM is an easy way to do the UI, and you don't need to do all the Docker installation and open web UI. It's so easy. Please watch to the end. I will show you how to do step by step. Anyone can enjoy installing the Deepseek-r1 model in your local computer. You can use it securely. You can use it for free. Let's do it now. Alright, so here's how we're gonna do this. The game plan is number one, let's install Ollama LLM. It's for free. Install Deepseek-r1 model from command prompt. Then finally, you can stop right here, but if you want a good UI, we can install the anything LLM. Again, it's for free, so that you don't need to set up the Docker or anything with the open web UI. There are many videos out there showing install and configure Docker virtual environment and things like that. Could be a little bit involved. So this is the easiest step that you're going to do anything LLM for your UI. Okay, first we need to download the Ollama. Just go directly to ollama.com. I will give you the link in the description box. Based on your operating system, you can go to Mac OS, Linux, or Windows. I'm a Windows user, so I'm gonna download the Windows. Click on Download for Windows button and go for it. Now you're gonna have a downloaded Ollama setup.exe. Just double click on it and verify download file. Now after you download, go to your download folder and look for this Ollama setup.exe and you can double click and run it. Okay, let's get you up and running with Ollama blah blah blah. Install, click install. It's based on your network. It's gonna take a few minutes. Okay, after you download the Ollama, you just go to command prompt by going to the search window, search CMD. So you go click on the command prompt and let's check the Ollama version. Just type OLLAMA space dash version. This is just to confirm that you install Ollama correctly and see the latest version you install. Next, we need to install the DeepSeek version. So let's go to Ollama Explore model. So basically you got to go to ollama.com/search and the DeepSeek is if you click on the models, DeepSeek is showing up at the top. You click on Deepseek-r1 and you got different choices. Okay, those are the parameters that from 1.5 billions to the largest is 671 billion parameters trained. So depend on the size, you need more hard drive, you need more space, you need more. Okay, looks 1.5 billion parameter, you need 1.1 gig and 4.7 gig. So you're gonna take time to download and you need a lot of processing power and depend on how much GPU, CPU you have on the computer. For most people, 7 billions is a sweet spot, so I'm gonna download the 7 billion parameter by default. I select 7 billion. To select this, we're gonna copy this command, Ollama run Deepseek-r1 7B for 7 billion parameters trained model. You can copy it, then go back to the command prompt. Let's go back to command prompt and paste. If you run this, it will automatically download and run the Deepseek-r1 model with the 7 billion parameters. It depends on your network. It's going to take some time. Okay, it's going to be 4.7 gigabyte to download. It will take some time. Okay, now we have installed the Deepseek-r1. Let's test it. Who are you? So we're going to say, hi, who are you? Okay, I'm a Deepseek-r1 artificial intelligence assistant created by DeepSeek. I'm at your service, blah, blah, blah. So calculate 2 plus 3. So it's thinking, calculate the sum of 2 or 3. I need to add 2 number together, adding 2 and 3 give me a total of 5. Correct. Therefore, the final answer is 5. Okay, my computer is like going crazy. Alright, the next step is go to Google, search engine, type in anything LLM, and the search result will come. The first one, anything LLM, click on it, and this is the UI we want to download for our interface. Okay, now click on download to desktop. Depending on the operating system again, you can have Mac or Windows or Linux. For me, it's Windows, and download for Windows 64. Okay, when you download it, you might run into the problem like this one, like download unverified files. Just click on download unverified file. When you're done, and then click on more info and run anyway, because Windows Defender tries to protect you from downloading any exes. I think that's why. Just click on run anyway. So we want to install it, and it's just for me, not for everyone, just for me testing. Next, you can change the location or install. I just keep it default and install. Okay, again, this depends on the network connection. It will take a few minutes. Okay, now finally get installed, and let's run it. Okay, now it's loading anything LLM. Okay, we want to get started. We're looking for the LLM preferences. We need to look at for Ollama. Ollama LLM, run locally on your own machine. So select this one and run. Okay, one thing we need to note that, we need to run the latest 7B. The one that we installed is 7B. If you have a 1.5 billions or any version, you should pop up in here and drop down and select this one and run Ollama locally. Then do next. We can skip the survey workspace. For now, I'm just typed Simon workspace just for testing. And next. Okay, now we have workspace. Okay, now Simon workspace. Now it is just like ChatGPT user interface. Without doing anything, you get everything for free. We got Ollama, we got Deepseek-r1, 7 billion parameters trained model. Now we're gonna say, who are you and what can you do? It will do the deep thinking, the chain of thought, and reasoning, just like using your DeepSeek. And you can ask anything you want. Again, this is based on the 7 billion parameters trained Deepseek-r1 model. Here's the answer. So another thing you can do is you can customize your UI theme. For example, we have a light theme, the white background, so we can do the dark one, English or Burmese, Chinese, whatever language you want to set up, and go back. And now is the UI is this. What is 2 plus 3? We're going to ask simple question, and it's start thinking.